Hi everyone, this is how to easily change wiper blades on most cars. Our first step is to lift up the wiper arm, and then you want to place something on the windshield just in case the wiper arm falls down so you don't crack the windshield. Keep some styrofoam. Second step is to bend your wiper about 90 degrees and then simply just chop down. The wiper comes right off. This one is just on there with the pressure fit. Some other ones have a little tab, and I'll show you how to do the tab one next. To install your new wiper blade, you just simply reverse the procedures. You'll see that the wiper blade has a hook onto it, and the hook will hook right onto this portion of the wiper blade. Here is the hook I was talking about. Here's the wiper blade, and where the hook is going to go into. I like doing this, going in like that, bringing it in straight, and lifting up until you hear a click. I just like grabbing right here. There's that click. And there is that tab seated. Now your wiper blade's in place. You can put that down and repeat on the other side. Fast. Your other type of wiper is going to have a little clip on the bottom right over here. So if you have a wiper like this, you got to make sure to push in on this, and then you can chomp down just like that. This is a really old wiper blade. If you couldn't tell, it's all flappy flap. There's a clip. What that does is that little tab seats into the hook right over here to lock it in place. So that's the two different designs, and to put this one on, same thing. And then wait until you hear the click. The click is on and wiper blade's on. This one obviously has got to be replaced. But that's how you change your wiper blades out really quick. Thank you for watching. Until next time, peace.